25 is the score. Round the wicket, a good leg turn, a single, 2 overs completed. The score is 26. Nice comeback by Jaisal. Well then, the ball just skidded after pitching. There was an edge, but no runs added to the score. One flying slip, and again an inside edge, going towards the wicketkeeper after a bounce. 2 dot balls, making some pressure here. (26) the score. Well then, it was in the air, played towards the mid wicket for yet another single. 27 is the score in 2.4 overs. Again, it's a nice delivery. Sandeep. He has just considered a single in the over. A very nice over. Good line and length. Again an outside edge. It's a dot ball to end the over number 3. It's 27 runs. (27) is the score. 3 overs have been completed. Preeti to bowl the 4th over. Well, it's an smart box advisors wide. Our extras sponsors. That's a good shot down the ground, but then there are 2 fielders at the long on region. 29 in 3.1 overs. Will Navin and Jigar go for big runs in this over? This time it's been connected very beautifully. Chauhan and Sons maximum. Well, that was played very well on the back foot. Oh, it's an smart box advisors no ball and a single. Jigar on strike. Very well played. Execution at its best. It's a Chauhan and Sons maximum. Well, they are counting here for each and every run. 43, the score moves on. Partnership between both these batsmen. Just a kind of a start Jadogi was needed, and surely they will be thinking to score some big runs in the gap. That's a flat shot sixer. Chauhan and Sons maximum. A nice ball, but the form he is in, he is just drilling in. Chauhan and Sons maximum. So 50 runs are on the scorecard. 55. 55-run partnership between both the openers, and this time he misses it. Good comeback by Preeti. It's the end of the over number 4. It's a 55 runs. So then, after 4 overs, the runs they needed, 55 runs, and he starts over with the maximum. Chauhan and Son, sixer. This time Navin joins the party. Again a beautiful shot, just a sheer timing. Chauhan and Son's maximum. This time away of the bowler's head. 67. 67 runs. Some kind of a thinking here for the bowler. Well, here is some kind of a miracle happening. They are connecting the ball really very well. And it's a big hit. No, only a single. A good throw by the fielder. 68 is the score. It was in the air. Sensible cricket by both these batsmen. 4 balls bowled in the over so far. 14 runs have been conceded. It's in the air. Oh, Abbotsfield. The score is 70 runs. 70-70. In 4.5 overs? Yes. Oh. It's a play and a miss, and the over comes to an end. 5 overs, 70 runs. So well, if you can see, Navin is playing on 31, Jigar is playing on 32. Equal partnership and some extras. Full toss. That's a quick running. '71. Yes, it's in Smart Box Advisors white ball. This time he survives, gets an inside edge, direct hit was needed. Well, they seem to be pretty confident here. Oh, again it's a Smart Box Advisors white ball. That's a good connection. It's a Chauhan's maximum. क्या बात है? Going after the bowlers. Oh, this time he hits his companion. 80 runs on the scorecard. No ball. Smart Box Advisors no ball and a single. 82 runs. Dancing down the track. Again a single. 83. Over the wicket. Wow. These are some handful runs here. Smart Box Advisors wide and a single. Lots and lots of work for our scorers to be done. '85 is the score. Digging it out from the Yorker length. Single being taken. 86 is the score. Over is completed. 6 overs, 86 runs. One of the highest score as of now on turf number 4. अरे आवाज आने दीजिए. 86. Sandeep comes into bowl. Will he restrict the batsman? Oh, it's a wrong one. It's a smart box advisors no ball and data point boundary. Free hit to be continued for the big man. Well, that seemed to be a baseball shot from Jigar. Reaching on the personal score of 40 is Jigar. And Navin playing on 39. Well, this time it's a dot ball. The ball ricocheting off the bottom edge. Lower full toss. Missed it out. Inside edge towards the keeper. Not for any runs. Nice comeback by Sandeep. But the damage has been already done by the batters. Such a good shot. One more single. The score moves on to 93. They have played some pure cricketing shots. And he's played on. So Sandeep gets a breakthrough here. 93 run opening partnership has been broken. We are not hearing. Can we have a round of applause for this partnership? Saurabh. Well, it's the 7th over in progress. But Sandeep has managed to get a wicket here. Again, the ball ricochets off the edge. It's end of the over. The score is 93. We'll have to wait and watch how many runs will be scored. Can they restrict below 100 or will the Jadoo givers complete 100 plus runs? 93 is the score. Shyam comes into bowl the final over. Single on the very first ball. Nice shot inside out stroke. Oh, misfield! Oh dear. It's a data point boundary. Just as we collect the data, the boundary has been collected. 98 is the score. थोड़ा सा आवाज आने दीजिए डगआउट में से. Full toss missed out. So even it's in bowler's display, execution at its best. It's in the air, connected, 100 runs on the scorecard. 100 has been completed. It's a Chauhan and Sons maximum. Driven for yet another single. Oh, it's an overthrow and 2 runs. Umpire sir, 2 to go, 1 to go. Thank you. 106. Using his feet, completing the innings with a maximum as Saurabh. Chauhan and Sons sixer. And with that, the first innings comes to an end. What a good connection that was. Saurabh made sure that one more big score is added to the score. 113 runs is the target. I repeat, 113. Team TMM, please make a note. 113 runs required. 113 runs needed in 8 overs to win the match. Check. So yes, welcome to EPL Season 10, brought to you by Lembe Infra. Our title sponsors Manan Sanghvi from Lembe Infra. Co-sponsors Ashish Trivedi, FenFox, Neil Gandhi, Neil Neeraj Music. Sixes by Atik Chauhan, Chauhan and Sons. Lots and lots of sixes and boundaries. Boundaries by Prashant Vora. Data point. Wickets by Gadlawala Stores. Extra and kits by Bhumit Chaudhary, Smart Box Advisors. Food by Naina Kanal from PMK Foundation. Beverages by Nikhil Desai, Garuda Pest Control. T-shirts by Aman Bhimani from Playtime. Trophies by Manish Vora, Red Moments. Man and Woman of the Match by Hussain Windowala from Windowala India Private Limited. Man and Woman of the Series by Sachin Agrawal from Pearlior. Toss ka boss by Karthik Shah from Joya. Yes guys, welcome to the second innings. Let's start the match. Team TMM. They need a big target of 113 runs. Well, it's a big score, but still anything can happen in the game. We have seen only the first phase of the game. Yes, 113 is the target. Started our innings again. Our beverages sponsored by Nikhil Desai from Garuda Pest Control. Food by Nayana Kanal from PMK Foundation. Let's start the second innings. Team TMM need 113 runs and straight away it's a big shot being attempted by Sandeep. Single on the very first ball. We have seen n number of sixes. Sixes by Atik Chauhan. Chauhan and Sons. Our sixes sponsor. This time it's been driven inside out through the extra covers for a single. Our fours by Prashant Vora. Data point. Wickets by Nirav Mehta. Gadlawala Stores and extras by Bhumit Chaudhary. Smart Box Advisors. It's a start of the run chase and it's the first maximum from the bat of Sandeep. Chauhan and Son sixer. The score moves on to 8 runs. Again going for a big hit. Lucky enough the ball touches the rooftop. One more single. 9 runs on the scorecard. The way just they needed the target to be settled down. Oh, a chance. but the wrong throw. But they made sure not even a single run was taken. 5 balls, 9 runs. In the first innings, we saw 21 runs coming in the first over itself, and that made a big impact. 3 runs, a maximum, and a dot ball in the over so far. Using his feet coming down the track for a single. First over comes to an end. 10 runs on the scorecard. But then from now onwards it will be asking rate for around 15 to 16 runs per over. Neil just conceding away 10 runs in the first over. Nitin comes and he's been hammered away for Chauhan and Sons maximum. Prem giving a message that he will go after each and every delivery. 2 consecutive Chauhan and Sons maximum. Such a nice use of the feet. Playing in the same region for the same result. This time towards the onside. It's a data point boundary. So 16 runs with these big hits. Oh, it's a data point boundary. Such a nice big over it is turning out to be, and they need more of this. It's a Smart Box Advisors wide run. Nice cover drive. 32 is the score. They have come back nicely. Sandeep misses it, but it's a white ball signaled. Smart Box Advisors white ball. Full toss and a maximum. Chauhan and Sons sixer. So yes, both the batsmen getting into the act of the big hits. The responsibility on their shoulders. 74 runs needed in 36 balls. Well, it's a calculative game and they are often to a good start here. Sandeep and Prem. Such a good partnership here. We saw 94 runs stand in the first innings and now Sandeep and Prem. 39 is the score in 2 overs. Saurabh comes into bowl. Can he get a wicket? Or will he go after the bowlers? It's a sixer to start. Chauhan and Sons, sixer. Prem, jersey number 10. Again on the back foot. This time on the onside. It's Chauhan and Sons maximum. Wow, what a sighting this is. 51 runs. 51 run opening stand between these batsmen. TMM. Again on the back foot. Stand and deliver. Chauhan and Sons. Sixer. Sandeep applauding his teammate. And Prem. What an innings this is. Oh, it's in the air. Deceiving the cameraman this time. Single run. The score is 58. And Prem reaches on the score of 42. Nice stroke. Oh, a misfield. They are going for a second one. No. We'll wait for the umpire signal. Yes, it's a data point boundary. And even Sandeep in the middle, he is having a good time with the bat. Nice turn. It's a dot ball after a very long time. 3 overs. The score is 62. And yes, if we compare after 3 overs, it was 27 in the first innings. It is 62 now. Well, certainly a trouble time here for some sort of a time for the Jadoo givers. But on the other end, team TMM, you all are on the front foot in this game. Let's start the match. First ball, that's been hammered away. Nice piece of a fielding by Jay. A single on the very first ball. Can Roshni provide a breakthrough? Sandeep on strike. Chance. Only a single. On the back foot, that's been hammered away for Chauhan and Sons maximum. '70 runs. And yes, with this single, Prem completes his half century. A round of applause for the big man, Prem. The first half century of the tournament. Oh, it's in the air. Oh, the catch has been dropped. But it has been a nice display of bowling by Roshni. 10 runs in the 5 balls. Again going for a big hit. Oh, chance for the run out. Missed out. But what an innings this has been. 40 runs required in 24 balls. 40 रनों की जरूरत 24 गेंदों में. Neil comes to bowl. We saw 94 run opening partnership in the first innings, and exactly the TMM, they have counter attacked and not given any chance to the Jadoo givers. Oh! Again a single. Prem and Sandeep, they have been the lucky guys here. Again going for a big hit. Only a single has been taken. But yes, they need almost 10 runs per over. In the over so far, singles have been scored. Neil into his second over of the spell. Can he get a wicket? The Jadoo givers need a wicket. And TMM getting one more Smart Box Advisors wide run. Full toss. Nice thinking. They didn't go for a catch. They stopped the ball. Singles so far. The score is 78. 2 balls left. Anything can happen at a moment, but the way Prem is batting, it will be a no stopping. Data point boundary. Clearing the front foot and sending the ball all the way towards the boundary. 82 runs. Was in the air, played towards the covers, overthrow. No, only a single. But then 83 runs, 5 overs, 83 without any wicket. Some kind of a trouble here for Jadoo givers. 18 balls, 30 runs. Jigar. Jigar Thakkar comes to bowl. 83. Full toss. And the way he has batted, he is continuing his form. Chauhan and Sons maximum. Sandeep enjoying. Ah, that's a big hit. Yes, so beware of the point. 100 runs. Oh, it's a smart ball advisors, no ball and a single. Free to be continued. Yes, sir, thank you. So one of the biggest score is of 116, which is we have made over here. And also we have got a half century for the Prem. So every records that have been made, they are on turf number 4, which is lucky for us. He comes down the track and sends the ball for a maximum. Chauhan and Sons sixer. So then it's a game of cricket, run a ball situation. Full toss, and look at that. The batsman getting all the opportunities. Luck favoring Prem. We will not say brave. Luck favoring Prem. Prem bhai, can we have a smile? Yes, there we go. 99. And oh, it's a Chauhan and Sons maximum. Sandeep having a good smile. Sandeep bhai, if you can smile. Yes, there we go. 105 runs. Well, as of now, everything is going in the favor. What a shot. You beauty. Chauhan and Sons maximum. इन दोनों बल्लेबाज जैसा हो. So well, we can say only 2 runs. टीम TMM थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा, सिर्फ 2 रनों की जरूरत. एंड a single. The scores are leveled. The scores are leveled. He clears it with a Chauhan and Sons maximum, the highest score, 118. So then team TMM, प्लीज यहां पर ध्यान दीजिएगा, जरा तालियां बजाइए. टीम जादू गिवर्स, तालियां बजाइए.
For the next match toss, the captains of Jadoo and Vikings for turf 3 and the captains of TMM and United for turf 4. Also, can we have Karthik Shah, Manar for the Joya toss? Sandeep Jain, Neil Gandhi, Sumit Shetty, all right, so we have Sumit and Neil coming. Let us do the toss for the turf 3, Jadoo versus Viking. Members, can we have everyone here because these matches have been amazing. There have been a lot of records broken today. Let us have more audience to cheer this up. Who's calling? Neil is calling. It's Joya toss by Manar. Neil is calling. And it's Joya heads. Okay, so Vikings have decided to do the batting first. Yeah, 5-10 minutes, yes. You are in 3. And can we have Sandeep Jain? Sandeep Jain for the toss. Come on. Is Sandeep there? Sandeep and Nikhil. And audience, can we have everyone here because there have been amazing records broken today in the matches. I want you all to be here to cheer up everyone.
मनीष भाई आ गया मनीष भाई
Okay, so now we have the Joya toss for TMM and United. Who's calling? Nikhil is calling. Here goes the Joya toss. And United has won the toss and they are going to do the bowling first. Your turf 4. All right, and now is the time to announce the winners and the results of both the matches. And today this last match has been record breaking because Jadoo Givers gave a target of 113 runs to TMM, which they have able to break, which they have able to score within 6.4 overs. So, of course, the winners is 113 runs in 6.4 overs with no loss. And we have the man of the match, that is Prem, who also broke the record with 72 runs. Well done, Prem. And can we have Hussein Vindowala to present the Man of the Match Series trophy? Do we have Hussein here? Okay, can we have Manish Vora, who is the trophy sponsor? Manish, please come and present the Man of the Match trophy. So the only match that has gone above 100 runs is this match. It was an exciting match. The other match was just short of 3 runs for a century. Prashant Bhai, can we have you here? Prashant Vora. Thank you. Okay, and sorry, I forgot to take the ask from Prem. Prem, it's the first time for the man of the match. And the woman of the match, any guesses? From Jadoo and TMM, who is the woman of the match? Yes, it is Roshni Lachwani because she only gave 11 runs. Across, mostly women have given more than 20 runs. She's the only one who's given 11 runs. Prem, your ask.
My ask is housing societies above 200 flats. Yes, thank you.
Housing society is about 200 flats. I'm sure a lot of people here have. Manish bhai, can we have you here once more? And presenting the Women of the Match series to Roshni for the Turf 4 match.
Ask is for Jadu to win, obviously. And the other thing is, I want to connect to brand consultants. Brand consultants.
Brand consultants, okay. And now announcing the results of the match between Gladiators and United. Gladiators and United, and the match is of course won by the United. And we have Manan Sanghvi, who is the man of the match. Second time again in the day for 5 wickets and 41 runs. And a hat-trick. 4 in a row, lovely. Well done, Manan. Manan, you're asked.
Just to continue the same way.
And the woman of the match, now it's the third time she's getting, I think she should now give away to somebody. Dr. Kinjal Jadhav. Kinjal, your kids are really lucky for you. Kidhar hai? Dr. Kinjal Jadhav, she's coming running. Come on, run.
The contribution is also to Naina Singhania. Where is Naina? Naina? Yes, come. Yes.
So Kinjal, you're asked.
Naina. For Naina.
दूसरे वाले में भी वुमेन ऑफ द मैच बन जाए एंड देन गेट द एंड वी आर विनिंग दैट वन
Yes, so the tosses are done. Please, all the players be ready for turf 3 and 4 in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Start gathering up. All right. Hi.